Overall, March has been quite uneventful with little change in price, but a minor upswing has formed in the short term. So if price can clear over 765 in around the next 10 days, conditions can improve for filling in the gap back up to 960. Otherwise, this relatively range-bound trading is likely to continue with price approximating the downward arc of the spirals back towards the $5 range. The next chart has a more stable long-term downtrend, contrasted with a shift to more bullish sentiment, especially with the last two candles. Though even if 215 can be contacted, it's unlikely to be surpassed if bullish volume doesn't significantly increase in the next few weeks. Then if the market remains undecided like the last few weeks, price can just remain relatively flat just under $2. Though if selling volume gets back over 10 million even just for a few days, the chart can resume another drive for newer lows to test the 150 area.